Combat is about controlling conflict, putting the battle on your terms. You should always be acting, never reacting. I'll need a sparring partner.
Right here, yeah. After this, swish, I'll show you my moves. Oh, that hurts so good.
Good block. But did anyone see what he did wrong?
Oh, he hit on teacher and got served? Dude!
He allowed me to dictate the terms of...
Oh, please. With my powers, the battle's always on my terms. I'm a living weapon, and this is a waste of my time.
Prove it. You're angry. Good. But don't react. Channel that anger into...
That's it! I'm done.
Training is mandatory.